In a world of financial dreams, your credit score is crucial. Meet the credit people, your everyday credit superheroes. Founded in 2001, we've been improving credit reports and scores for over 15 years, featured in the Wall Street Journal and more. Certified SWAT team handling 310,000 plus credit reports with expertise in laws. Dive deep into your unique credit score factors for score-driven results. Your credit report is more than numbers. Our support team ensures you're cared for. No sales skills required. Our team ensures your journey starts right. Guiding our mission, the executive team has a heart for helping people improve their credit. Our tech team prioritizes security with 2048-bit encryption and compliance. Thanks to our marketing team, you found us, the matchmakers bringing us together. Our credit partners, the independent sales force, join us in helping you achieve credit goals. At the Credit People, we focus on perfecting our service for unmatched benefits and value. Discover how our credit repair service works. The Credit People, because your dreams are worth it. Start your journey to better credit today.